In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view completed tasks in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. This is the main area where all of your projects, lists, and tasks are organized. So once you're there, you'll be able to search across your work much more easily. Next, look over to the sidebar and select all tasks. This view is useful because it brings together tasks from across your entire workspace, instead of limiting you to just one folder or list. If you're trying to find everything that has already been completed, this is usually the best place to begin. Once you're in the All Tasks view, go to the top of the task view and click Filter. This opens the filtering options that let you narrow down exactly what you want to see. From the filter options, choose Status. After that, select Eyes, and then choose Closed. This tells ClickUp to show only tasks that are fully completed and no longer active. It's a simple but powerful way to clean up the view and focus only on finished work. Now click Apply or Confirm, depending on what appears in your version of ClickUp. As soon as you do that, ClickUp will display the completed tasks that match your filter. At this point, you'll be looking at a dedicated view of closed tasks across your workspace. If you want to be even more specific and see tasks completed during a certain period, open the filter menu again. This time, select Date Done. Then choose the date or time frame you want to review. For example, you can look at tasks completed today, this week, or within a custom date range. ClickUp will then show tasks that entered a done status during that selected time frame, which is especially helpful for reporting, reviews, or checking recent progress. There's also another way to show completed tasks if you're working inside a specific list. In that case, go to the top of the list view and click Show Closed. Once you enable that option, the completed tasks will appear directly in the list, so you can review them without leaving that section. That's the full process for viewing completed tasks in ClickUp. Whether you want to see all finished tasks across your workspace, or only those completed within a certain time period, these filter options make it quick and easy to find exactly what you need. Thanks for watching.